Hi guys, welcome to SAP e-commerce planet. I'm Khaja. Today I'm going to explain what is Visual Studio Code and how to install it. Let's see. Open the browser, type Visual Studio Code, download, click on the first link. This operating system is a Windows 11 64-bit. So we need a user installer. So click on the 64-bit to download the setup file. The setup file is downloading. It's completed. So click on this. Click on run. Accept the license. Next. So this is the path where the software is to be installed. So click on next. Next. We need to yeah, check these two checkboxes. Create a desktop icon. Install. So the installation of Visual successfully completed. Click on finish button. So this is how the Visual Studio looks like. So it is highly used in editor or terminal for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or in especially in React application development language frameworks as well. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.